Do you want to know how to increase revenue through your hotel website? I am joining a conference call with a couple of revenue manager to discuss the same. Stick around for the call and see if you can learn about it.
Hello and welcome to the call to generate ideas on how to increase revenue from our website. On the panel we have revenue managers from various hotels. So let us see what they have to say on the topic. Why don't we start with you, Jenny?
Thank you for the opportunity. I feel that the first things we need to do to improve booking from our website is to ensure that our website is modern, fast, and optimized for booking. What I mean is that when you visit the website, the site should load in less than 3 seconds, and there should be no annoying pop-ups, etc. in the page.
That is a very good point, thank you, Jenny. Okay, so Rajesh, you are a designer and you design many websites. What are some of the design features you would recommend for making sure the booking happens on the website?
There are so many design considerations that I can write a book. But as Jenny mentioned, a clean design is very important to get conversions. It needs to be mobile-friendly and easy to use. And on the website, do not be vague. Use clear and compelling call to action, so that guests consider booking. If you want, look at the online travel agency's website and see how they are optimized for booking. Get inspired from them when you design your website.
Okay, now let us switch gears and talk about loyalty programs. What are some of the things you can do on your website to drive loyalty? Fatima, any thoughts?
I feel a loyalty program is very important for the hotel to improve direct sales. In case you do have a loyalty program, ensure that you give special offers to your loyal guests when they book online. We must clearly communicate the offer to the guests so that they keep booking on our website directly. Also run targeted email newsletters so that you encourage your loyal guests to book direct.
That is a fantastic idea. A special offer for your most loyal guest. Okay, what else can we do to increase our bookings through our brand website?
By adding perks like free parking, 24 hours check-in check-out, hotels can entice guests to book directly. Online sites may offer only a money value, but you can beat them on experience.
Yes, you are correct. And these days most people are looking for experiences as well. And that is what you can customize with your brand website.
And finally, I wanted to ask you, Priya, about the other things we would have missed so far.
You know, one thing we did not speak about is the need to ensure you keep your website secure. What I mean by that is that if you are asking your guest to add their credit card information on your site, they must feel that the site is secure. Follow the best practice around GDPR and credit card compliances. That will help boost your guest confidence on booking direct.
Okay, so thank you all for coming on the call today and sharing your valuable thoughts on how to improve direct booking on your website.
I hope you learned something from the call. I took lots of notes and will try and implement it on our hotel website to improve direct booking.